Its review rating is 7.8, which is the good. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property.
Category 3. Category 5. Category 6. Category 7. Category 8. Of this property, so you can see on the screen. Yes, will be required to present photo ID at check-in.
The property accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival.
And the property is first class and guests love to enjoy the surroundings. These reviews of rooms are available online. You can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property along with various payment plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book, you can do so through the link provided in the description. For booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already visited this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video of our upcoming property.